Hi, this is Xuan presenting for ECE570 project, titled as Introduction to Image Segmentation. An image contains tons of information. For example, from the image on the right bottom corner, we can know where the animals are, what are their species, what time is it, and even predict the weather. As computers have advanced so much, people want computers to perform works such as interpreting images like we do. Fortunately, convolutional neural networks, also known as CNN, allows computers to solve some problems, such as object recognition or face detection. However, people not only want computers to tell us what is in the picture, but we want computers to support us, segmenting the images and help us understanding the images better. Image segmentation is a process that partitions a larger image into smaller parts to simplify the image. There are several types of image segmentation. For example, the simplest way is to do image cropping by hand, like this one does. It crops the object and reduces its original size. This method is very reliable that we can get what we want every time, but less effective, which means the results still contain useless information. A more advanced segmentation is semantic segmentation. It segments the pixel based on their class. To perform such tasks, computers need to classify each pixel. This method is very effective in conserving useful information, but is less reliable. For example, in this image, the program is segmenting two bulls into one bull with more than 4 legs. Focusing on this topic, I looked 3 papers published in non-CVPR in the last 3 years. The first paper, written by Ding, published in 2019, they developed a scale and shape variant semantic mask for each pixel to confine the results. Another paper, written by Yu, they published a new architecture to focus on different features, such as inter-class inconsistency and intra-class consistency. Another paper, written by Chen, they developed an algorithm to find the smallest rectangle that encloses interested targets using class activation map to perform automatic image cropping, and I chose their paper to implement. Different from other cropping methods, Chen's method uses a attention map generated by an object detection program to complete the cropping. They first apply a searching algorithm to a single row array to find the interval in that. The target interval is the one contains the summed attention value larger than the threshold. This interval is then used as the weight of cropping rectangle. They then transformed a 2-dimensional attention map into 1 dimension, so that the searching algorithm can be applied. This process will also provide the height of cropping rectangle. This page explains the implementation results of selected paper. The first image is showing the original image masked with attention map. And the second image is showing the cropping rectangle, which is enclosed by the green line. And the cropping ratio used is 0.5, which means the summed attention value in this rectangle is half of the total attention value. And the last image is the final cropping results. As we can see, we can crop the dog's face and head automatically using his method. So this presentation explains 3 different segmentation techniques and also the implementation results of selected paper, which concludes my ECE570 project.